If you've been scrolling through online deals and suddenly came across JoyaGoo.com offering surprisingly low prices with international shipping, you're not alone and you're probably wondering, is this legit or just another scam waiting to happen? In this video, we dive into everything you need to know before spending even a single dollar on this platform. JoyaGoo presents itself as a global shopping solution, claiming to connect you directly with Chinese online stores while promising a wide variety of products and smooth worldwide delivery. But when you start peeling back the layers, things get a little murky. First off, the domain was registered fairly recently, which immediately brings up trust concerns. New websites with bold promises always deserve a second look. Then there's the About Us page, which is completely empty, not a single detail about who runs the company, their mission, or any background info, which is usually a red flag. They list different registered addresses in both France and the UK, raising questions about where the business is actually operating from. While they do offer support via Discord, live chat, and a phone number, which is uncommon for scam sites, the real test is the feedback from users. Reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit are mixed. Some buyers received what they ordered and were satisfied, while others complained about long shipping times, lack of updates, questionable product quality, and confusing return policies. So is JoyaGoo a total scam? Not exactly, but it's also not a platform you can fully rely on without risks. This review isn't here to tell you what to think, but it will give you enough facts to help you decide if it's worth or not.